This math were coming preliminary exam of private and government bank. This math says a man is in needed of money for 120 days. He asked the banker and the banker charged টাকা 360 at a rate 6%. What was the amount asked for? Given that these years in 120 days, then convert to days, convert to years, divided 360, then 1/3 years. The banker charged টাকা. This means interest. Interest I equal 360 টাকা at rate means percentage rate R equals 6%. What was the amount? The amount means principal. Asking. We know P equal I multiply 100 divide R into N. This I values 360 into 100, R value 6% multiply 1/3. This calculation 1800 টাকা, 18,000 টাকা. The amount was 18,000 টাকা. This math is different. 120 days. Other math has this place years, but this math has days. How to convert days to years? This convert we will convert days to years. 120 divide 360 because 1 year equal 360 days. So we do divided 120 divide 360, then we get a result 1/3. This answer 1/3 means years. Then we put this value P equal this principal, then this is answer.